6-point game. Closing in on 4 minutes. Here in game 5, Santos fakes the 3, hands it off to Can. Can with this drive against Sablaon, no go on a layup, and Habonete clears. Vincent Malyape has it. Ariate setting a play for Camsur. Habonete to Almario, shot clock at 9. Almario being pressured by Bragais. Almario outside, bad pass. Ticas gets another opportunity. They are trailing by 6 points. Manalang delivers the ball into their front court. Being guarded by Ariate. Crossover by Manalang. The drive inside. Overshoots it. Camsur with the rebound. And now Ariate will set things up for Camsur. Ticas missing on their shots late in this ball game. Pagpantay against Bragais. 10 on the shot clock. Habonete against Santos. Habonete fires this 3-point shot. Overshoots it. And a steal by Camsur. And a counter. Can on the attack. He falls down. And now Manalang loses it. Ariate. Ticas careless at the ball. Here's Sablaon. Short. And here comes Ticas. Wild sequence here. Manalang outside to Bragais. The guys will set things up for Ticas. They trail by 6. Bragais attacks, kicks it out. Manalang wide open. For 3. And now Ticas down by 3 after that huge 3 by Manalang. Listen to the fans. Habonete loses it. It's going to be Camsur ball with 5 on the shot clock. And Bragais wants Coach Jeff Chan to challenge that call. And they will challenge that out of bounds call.
Out of bounds play.
Crucial moments here in game 5. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. A crucial challenge. Coach Jeff Chan challenging that last call. Referee saying that it's Camsur ball with 5 on the shot clock, and they are challenging it. They are reviewing it. Again, 2 minutes and 9 on the clock. Ticas Kapampangan still fighting back after trailing by 7, 77-70. And again, Ticas back in this game following those crucial shots. Manalang draining that 3-pointer from the left corner to slice the gap. Our game officials checking that out of bounds play. The call was Camsur ball. Again, we are back here at the Pampanga State University gym for this contest. Game 5. The winner take all clash here in the NBL President's Cup. Again, a long review by our game officials. Both teams taking advantage of the lull, talking things over here with 2 minutes and 9 seconds left. And again, if Camsur gets this possession, they will have 5.4 on the shot clock. Referee is trying to make sure to get the call right. We will listen in.
As reviewed from the replay center, the challenge made by Tikas was unsuccessful. Last touch on Miko Santos.
So an unsuccessful challenge. The ball was last touched by Miko Santos. Let's watch it again.
0.4 seconds.
The drive by Jabonete, and then he will kick this ball out. And from that angle, looks like it was indeed swiped by Santos. So based from that, no one touched it. So there was a prior touch. Bragais did not touch the ball, but prior to that, it was Santos who had the last touch. So now we have 5 on the shot clock. Ariate will inbound. Magpantay. 3 to shoot. Magpantay pulls up. It bounces out. Long rebound, and it's going to be Kamsur ball. So Kamsur gets the ball back. 2 minutes and 1 second. Referee talking to Jabonete and Victoria. Fresh 14 for Kamsur. Magpantay, handoff. Almario sees an open lane. The floater is short. Battled for the rebound. And Kamsur again with offensive rebound. Another chance for Kamsur to extend the lead. 5 on the shot clock. Borbe has it. 2 to shoot. Borbe from the outside. And the rebound by Ganya. And there's a push. And it's going to be 2 free throws, I believe. Kamsur with a foul.
Foul number 7, Medvin Ariate, penalty.
The foul is on Ariate. And that will send Tikas to the line. Watch the play. Borbe with a 3 with a shot clock winding down. And then look at Ganya. And then Ariate with a push. This will send Ganya to the line. And looks like Ganya will take a free 3. This is a free 3. If he scores this one, it is going to be a tied ball game. And we have seen Ganya hit his free 3s. Crucial call here. Ganya will opt for a free 3 to tie the ball game up. Ganya, free 3 is good! We are tied. Kamsur looking to answer. Magpantay has it. Crosses the timeline. He falls down. But there's a foul. There's going to be a foul on Tikas.
Jasper Manalang is 7th foul.
Foul on Jasper Manalang. Watch this 3-3. A brave 3-3 by CJ Ganya, the former NBL MVP. And you can hear the chance of defense coming from this Pampanga crowd. Ariate has it. Guarded by Manalang, 10 on the shot clock. They go to Jabonete. Pass. Almario wide open. For free! Kamsur with a huge one. As Jerome Almario knocks down a 3 to break the tie. Can looking to answer. No go. And Jabonete with a rebound. Kamsur has it. Here's Ariate. Double team. Ariate, 8-second violation. Turnover for Kamsur with 60 seconds left. Look at this play. The last second pass by Jabonete and Almario, who again did not play in the game in game 4, knocking down that tray. But Tikas with the ball. 3-point lead for the Express. Tikas can still tie this game with a 3. And Magpantay with a steal. The forward pass taken right back by Victoria. Can, this is for the tie. Too strong. And Borbe with the rebound. And a turnover. A turnover for Tikas. They will review. 45.9 seconds remaining. Coach Momomoto on your screen in search of his first crown here in the NBL. Kamsur has not won the NBL title since the start of this league when it was born in 2018. And Kamsur, one of the pioneer teams, can win the championship if they can hang on to the lead. But Tika still a lot of time on the clock. Kamsur on your screen. 45.9 seconds. They are reviewing that call. They are reviewing that last out-of-bounds play. It is going to be Tika's ball. Tika's ball with 45.9 seconds. So we will have 14 on the shot clock. Tikas will inbound it across their bench. As we watch that slow-mo, the battle for that ball, Borbe had it. And then that pass, and based from that, no one touched it from the side of Tikas.
6 seconds on the shot clock.
3-point lead by Kamsur. Manalang will inbound with 45 seconds. The ball goes to Bragais. Bragais one-on-one against Almario. Bragais still has it. Fade away, 3-point shot, does not fall. Battle for the rebound, the tip won't work. Kamsur has it, and there is going to be a foul on Tikas with 33 seconds remaining.
Foul number 18, Renzo Victoria, penalty, big foul.
Foul on Renzo Victoria as we watch the fadeaway. That was a tough three by Genmar Bragais, and then the crucial rebound by Ariate. And now Ariate have a chance to increase this lead. 33.7 seconds. Ariate first free throw, it goes in. Kamsur now has a 4-point lead. Ariate, the second free throw, no go. And Bragais secures the rebound. Tika still has a chance. Bragais attacks, kicks it out. Can for three. Lancer Can. The lead is down to 1 with 24 seconds left. And Kamsur has called for this timeout. Tikas still very much alive here in Game 5. Lancer Can with that brave attempt from the right wing. Watch it again. Bragais with the ball and then dishing it out to Lancer Can. Contested three and he knocks that one home. And Tikas still very much alive here in Game 5. Look at this three. Contested three by Verman. Magpantay but Can finding a way to knock it down. And we have a ball game once again. 1-point lead by Kamsur. They have the ball with 24.2 seconds. There's going to be 0.2 differential between the clocks. And that is if Kamsur opts to inbound at the backcourt. Now, if Kamsur chooses to inbound it at the half-court line, it's going to be 14 seconds. There's going to be a difference between the clocks. Ticas can actually choose not to foul in this possession if Kamsur inbounds it at the half court, as we see the fans. As we first watch this, Lancer Khan, look at his numbers, 14 points, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Lancer Khan looking to give Ticas this championship despite trailing. Khan had that huge 3 to cut the lead to 1, and they will inbound it at the backcourt, so it's going to be 24 seconds on the shot clock. So Ticas has to foul here. Almario the inbounder, passes it to Ariate. Ariate escapes the defense, bounce pass, Sablaon, Abonete, no foul. They go to the corner, magpantay. Clock winding down, Almario still has the ball. Coach Jeff Chan wants a foul. And there's the foul. Almario will shoot a pair with 7 seconds left. Coach Jeff Chan visibly frustrated with what happened there. Clock winded down.
Lancer Khan, the penalty, fifth foul on Lancer Khan.
And now there's going to be 2 shots for Kamsur. Watch it again. Almario looking to escape. And finally the foul by Lancer Khan with 7.5 seconds. Still a lot of time, but again the frustration on the face of Jeff Chan. He wanted the foul earlier. And now Almario, again he did not play in game 4. But now looks like he is going to be a hero for Kamsur if he knocks down these free throws. No good in the first. 7.5 seconds. Ticas still has a timeout. Again, 7.5 on the clock. Almario looking to make it a 2-point game. Almario hearing it from this crowd. He knocks it down. And Coach Jeff Chan has requested for a timeout with 7.5 seconds left. Could be the last possession of our conference. Seconds again. Ticas. And again, a look at the fans from the Kamsur side in support of their team. And again, Kamsur has not won an NBL crown since being part of the league in 2018. Ticas fans praying for their team to score one more time here in the 4th quarter. And again, the fans have come out to support their team. Definitely expecting a championship here, but Kamsur really fighting their way. And again, Kamsur, they need one last stop here. And again, Kamsur with an 84-82 lead thanks to Jerome Almario. A heroic effort for Jerome Almario. 16 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists, and 2 steals, including that clutch 3 in the final seconds of this Game 5 to give them the lead. But this game is not yet over. Ticas can go for the 2, but definitely if there's a wide open man from threes, they can definitely take a 3-point shot and win it outright. Bragais will inbound it in front of their bench. Shot clock is off. 7.5 on the clock. Bragais the inbounder. Passes it to Victoria. Victoria with 5 on the clock. Bragais still with the ball. Can for the championship. Too strong. Bragais throws it It's over! It's over! For the first time, Kamsur, an NBL champion! The Express have